या रहमान रहीम है। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आखिर दावाकुम अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। So this is Muhammad Altaf with you. Okay. Okay. Yeah. रहमान रहीम है। या रहमान। In my previous video, day 10. Today is the day 10. Okay. In my previous video of day 9, I taught you about the outline of the journey into al-Islami religion. Outline, okay. There are 5 journey. Journey number 1, journey number 2, journey number 3, journey number 4A, and journey number 4B. Journey number 4B is the tenure of Muhammadun and Muhammadin. This had been the tenure and has been and will have been till the world life is there. Each messenger which is selected as Muhammad, each messenger whose name is Muhammad was Muhammad and will have been Muhammad. During this journey, make sure journey number 4 consists two part A and part B. Part A is belonging to the Rasul Rahman tenure, and journey number 4B is the tenure of Muhammadun and Muhammadin. We don't know the first messenger when Rabbil Alamina was selected, and present has been and will have been means to whom he will select. This is the knowledge with only Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Okay. Now in day 10, I want to teach you. Not I want to teach you, I have to teach you that whenever you do prayer and specific praises, that must be from the Al-Quran. You cannot pray from other than Al-Quran. and each prayer that is with the Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahmani, who is Rabbul Alamina and Maliki Yawmiddin. When you speak Ar-Rahmani, then all the sub-identities of Almighty God fall into one name, Ar-Rahmani. Okay? And these writings of Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim in Al-Quran, which have been designed in such a way that when the person who read it by using the lips, tongue and lips, only tongue, this is not applicable. Tongue plus lips. That means the sound should come out from the mouth at least anyone can listen easily within the 1 meter radius minimum. Neither you have to speak by using only tone, I mean without sound, nor you have to speak in a very loud sound which goes out of your room. It should not go out of your room that much. Decibel should be from your speaking sound. No other room person can listen or understand. It should not come to other person's ear. Okay? This is written in Suratul Bani Israel 110 sub alayate. Clear? Okay. Now, so I have made the short notes of prayers and specific praises in 16 parts which are taken from the entire Al-Quran in a serial wise. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Part 5, Part 15, Part 16. Total 16 parts which covers all the prayers and specific praises which each husband must have to read before doing any amal for obtaining the attendance. Must have to read. That is why every husband must know reading and writing. This is written Ya अल लजीना आमनु इन या इन या ये this is the standing zabar and over that a mad. This mad means husband must know reading and writing the sab al ayat of al Quran. That is very essential. Only the orders have been belonging to those only who know reading and writing and Amanu means having the minimum eligibility. So this is all included in the eligibility, and you can check on my timeline my groups. There are 15 groups in which one of my groups name is who is Amanu. You can go into my group that particular who is Amanu and you would know who is Amanu, how to get the eligibility, so that these orders are started belonging to him or them. Okay. Without having the minimum eligibility, that is Amanu, not at all orders have been belonging to them. So keep in your mind minimum eligibility. Then you have to qualify the pre-qualification. Then you have to, that is Aminu, and then Aminu. This is pre-qualification, and then this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3 is An-Nasib. That is known as main qualification. This An-Nasib, it is containing two parts. One is Sallu Alayhi, other part is Sallu Tasliman. Or in other words, we say as Aqim Salata and वो ज़कात so then only one can be achieve the main qualification in order to perform Ramadana and Al-Hajj wal Umrata. Okay, Al-Hajj wal Umrata. Without having the An-Nasi, because I will show you the Savalayate, which is describing by Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Surah Al-Baqarah, Savalayat number 185. शहर या रहमान रहीम शहर रमज़ान लज़ी उन्ज़िला फ़ीहिल क़ुरआन हुदन लिन्नास. You must secure the qualification of An-Nas, then only the facility benefits given in during the Ramadana month will be belonging to them only who are An-Nasir. Clear? Nasir. अब आ जाइए सूरतुल माइदतन. सूरतुल माइदतन या रहमान रहीम जअल रहमानुल कअबतल बैतल हराम क़ियामन लिन्नास वश्शहरल हराम वल हदिया वल क़लाइद ज़ालिका लितअलमु अन्ना रहमान यअलमु मा फ़िस समावाति व मा फ़िल अर्दि अन्ना रहमान बिकुल्लि शैइन अलीमुन. So जअल काबतल बैतल हराम क़ियामन लिन्नास वश्शहरल हराम वल हुदा वल क़लाइद. Okay. This means that when you are not a Nasir, you are not eligible for neither benefits of Ramadana nor the can perform Al-Hajj wal Umrata, and the preaching also, the Hajar wa Jahadu fi Sabilir Rahman does not belong to them until or unless they would have become as An-Nasir. Clear? So, my intention to give you each and every micro knowledge so that you get connectivity permanently with Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim without short circuit. Okay? Basic things I have told you. You must have to secure Amanu. It is one of my groups, Amanu. Second one is Amanu. This is also one of my groups, another group. Then Annase, this is also one of my groups. Go on my timeline. In the picture column, picture frame, you will get all the groups name. Type search group name Amanu, then search Amanu, then can search Annase. Make yourself the eligibility and pre-qualification and main qualification. And for complete Annase, you must have to meet with Muhammad for getting the tuition for all orders. Understand the order and where it is written. This is called Sallu Alayhi. Then you fulfill the Sallimu Tasliman. Then only you can be achieved the complete main qualification, so that you now have become the complete al-Muslimina or al-Mu'minina, and all orders, all benefits, all things have been belonging to you. Thanks very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Okay? Clear? Thank you. Bye. MashaAllah.